is Jessica from the Tilbury branch, and this morning we are going to do 2 science experiments. Okay, first we're going to do something called magic milk. For that one, you're going to need 2% milk or whole milk. You'll need a cotton swab, you'll need some dish soap, and different colored dyes. Okay, so you'll want to start with a shallow dish and then pour your milk in just to cover the bottom. Okay, and then we're going to add our dye. So we'll start with green, and then we'll do red. There we go. And then we'll do blue, and then we'll do yellow. And next, you're going to take your cotton swab and then dip it in some of that dishwashing liquid and then stick it inside the bowl. Okay, so what's happening is that milk is made up of minerals, proteins, and fats. So the soap chases the fat molecules around because it wants to attach to them, and that's what makes all the colors move. Okay, so the next experiment is called a lava lamp. And for this one, we're going to need a tall jar, water, more dye, our vegetable oil, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Okay, so you'll fill your jar up 1/4 of the way with water, and then we'll fill the rest of it with the oil. Okay, so now once they've separated, we're going to add 10 drops of our food coloring. There we go. I think I added a couple extra. Alrighty, so our last step is to add the Alka-Seltzer. There we go. Maybe I'll turn, you can see it on that side. There we go. So what's happening is that the Alka-Seltzer is reacting with the water to make bubbles of carbon dioxide, and the bubbles have to escape. So they bring the colored water up with them, and when they pop, the water falls back down because the water and oil don't mix. Okay, everyone, thanks for joining me this morning to do some experiments. I have a book recommendation for you now. It's called Try This by National Geographic Kids. It's one of the many science experiment books we have in the system, and hopefully we'll see you at one of our branches really soon. Bye!